For the next 4 days, I can only eat dinner if I make money day trading. Currently, I don't have access to my salary. I don't have access to my savings. So welcome to this new challenge I brought to my YouTube channel, where my trading profits will dictate where I'll have dinner for the night. If I don't profit for the day, I'll eat ramen. But for days where I can profit, let's say the market paid for steak. Rule number 1, I can only use profits that were realized that same day. And I can obviously not use unrealized profits. Rule number 2, if I finish the day red, I'll eat instant ramen. Rule number 3, I'm allowed 5 trades maximum to avoid overtrading for profits for dinner. Rule number 4, I'll have to subtract my commissions, so the profits that I'll show you on the screen will be without the commissions from my broker. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Hi guys, it's day 1. I just arrived at my Airbnb. This is it. Living room, kitchen. This is going to be the place I'm going to spend a lot of time at. And the amazing Cascais views. It has a cute little office. I don't know if I'm going to work here or not. I'm not feeling the vibes here. I have my struggle meals here ready. This is noodles. And I have canned sausages. And I also have tuna. So we have options if we have red days. I'm reading Pete's pre-market comments. As you can see, SPY is now going up. And it's up over the close from Friday, and Pete is here saying getting through the close from Friday was the first hurdle after some weakness overnight. This is why I love the chat room. Now I'm going to look for some longs in the bullish scanners on Option Stalker Pro. Pete has a 14-day free trial. You should try it. I'm going to leave the link in my description. As you can see, we are in the low end of this trading range. We have been here since November, I think. That's why I'm looking for longs. Although SPY is now breaching this low. As you know, I love trading Tesla. Tesla is on this trading channel. I had an alert here and it broke that low. SPY is also on a bearish cycle, and this is pretty good conviction. We are below the 100 SMA. I exited my Tesla short. I made a little over 6 euros on that trade without commissions and everything. It's not a lot of money, but I can eat at the mall with 7 euros at McDonald's. It's a few hours later. I'm waiting for my longs to work out. Now SPY broke the high of the day. Let's see how core is looking like. This is what the chart is looking like. I actually went long here. I ended up closing this trade here. I think I picked the right stock. I just don't think the market is doing anything. This is the price action for like the last 40 minutes. I ended up closing a trade I had taken, I think, last week on GLW. So that brings our total to, I have no idea, but my editor knows. So now we have to make dinner, and I just remembered it's a holiday here in Portugal. It's Carnival, so we'll have to cook at home. Let's go to the supermarket. Let's take a shower, get dressed to go out. I already know what I'm going to be cooking tonight. I'm going to make carne de porco alentejana. It's a pork, potato and clam dish. We are going to head to Continente to buy all of the ingredients to make it. I think it's going to be well below 16 euros. Every video I'm here at Cascais Shopping. I think they should sponsor me at this point. Let's go get our foods. 43 cents. This is parsley. 99 cents. This is pork loin, I think. Now we need this. I think I'm going to have clams for the rest of my life, but she was not in a good mood and I was not about to tell her less. So I guess I'm having clams for lunch tomorrow. I love them, so it's okay. This is 85 cents. I'm also going to grab some olives because I love them, and some wine. The total is 9.39. While this is baking, I'm going to season the meat with vinha d'alho. This already has salt, so we don't need to add salt. This is going to absorb the flavor while it's coming up to room temp. And then here I have parsley and I have our frozen clams. Now in a hot pan, we are going to cook our meats first. Isn't this cool? No exhaust fan. If you don't want to, you don't need to add wine. You can add water. But I'm going to add wine to make it thick. I have to cover it this way. I uncovered them. This is what it's looking like. I want the sauce to thicken a bit, so I'm going to leave it there for about 2 to 3 minutes. Reviewing the trays I made, I think I made a good choice shorting Tesla, and I did pick a good-ish stock to go long, but clearly the market was not going to go as further as I thought initially, and thank God I scratched that trade for 60 something cents. I'll see you for day 2. I hope we can get a nice dinner tomorrow. I want to go to a nice restaurant, and that's probably like 70 euros. So we'll aim for that tomorrow. Let's hope it's a good day to trade. Let's hope I make good choices, because that's what matters, making good choices while trading. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, it's day 2. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And if you're feeling really generous, please consider donating in the link in the description of this video. I love making videos, but they do cost money. I do need to pay my editor, and I would love to pay him a normal rate, which I cannot do right now. As you know, I'm learning trading, so I'm not making a lot of money out of this, especially if I'm spending my profits having dinner. I'm just trying to make my journey entertaining for me and for you, so please consider donating. And if you can't do that, it's okay. Just subscribe and like this video, comment, and that's it. Let's start day 2. These are the stocks that are in the heavy buy scanner on Option Stalker Pro. CVNA, TEM, Kava, Moderna. I'm not convinced on any of them. I think I'm going to wait. Probably one of the best ones, but it has the SMA 200 right there at 362.63, and it's almost there. And I also don't like this. So I was busy working for Pete, of course, and I entered a long position in MU Micron, and it's working out really well. And I just noticed that Dave also entered a long position in MU, so I'm pretty confident in my choice. I don't usually follow anyone in the chat room. Obviously, if I'm thinking about a stock, I see some of the yellow and red traders taking a position, I'm more confident in that stock. But I'm really happy when I choose a stock and one of them enters a position right after me. As you can see, I'm going to post screenshots. I entered right about here, and I'm going to leave the position in a bit. Guys, I've decided I want to eat oysters and steak tartare today, so I need MU to provide me a good dip, and I need SPY to blow through the 50 SMA. I'm having lunch, which is the same I had yesterday, because we're not wasting food in this economy. I also took a long position on WDC a few minutes ago, and that's working out also. We need about 50 euros. As you can see, I locked in my gains at $541 per share. I did it because SPY is doing absolutely nothing. I still have my WDC position on, and I like it way better than I like the Micron trade. It's just a personal preference. I'm going to show you the WDC and MU. See, I have more strength here, and I also have 10 shares here. I posted my gains, and of course Pete said, nice, looks like you get to eat today. Oh boy, can we eat? We're going to eat plenty tonight. Not plenty because I don't eat that much, but it's okay. We're going to eat good. So there, I posted my exit on WDC. And this is true. I have learned from the best of the best to trade only top stocks. So if you haven't already, please check Pete's YouTube videos. He is a great teacher. His lessons gave me everything I need to be a successful trader. And wait, I am not yet the most profitable. I make mistakes all the time, but you cannot deny the facts. I can make money trading. I don't have all green days, obviously, but I do have some of them. And I also feel it's important to have a really strong community. As I said before, trading is lonely, and I like being alone, but not that lonely. And I love this little community we have at One Option. I love the chat room. I love Option Stalker Pro. And I'm getting used to trading every day. I've been doing this for about 1.5 years, and I really feel like this is my future, and I hope I can continue to grow with you guys on the other side of the screen. I'm actually not feeling great, so I think I'm going to stop trading for today. I have really nice €90 profits. Here in Portugal, €90 goes a long way, so I don't need any more. It's okay to stop trading. As you might know, my health has not been the best the last few months, and with my allergic reaction, I'm really feeling the side effects of the meds. So I'm just going to work a little bit for Pete. I'm going to finish reading the manuscript for the book, and I'm going to get ready for dinner. See you in a bit. I actually already had a swing trade on WDC. And as you can see here, there is a trend line. So I configured an alert to buy more at this trend line in the future. I want to build this position to about 50 shares. Just for the record, I'm doing about 10 shares per trade. So this is not like, obviously I'm not going to have huge profits because I don't own that many shares. But that's the quantity I set myself for day trading. It's a quantity I'm not bothered. So yeah, and that's also usually my starter position. I want to build this position to about 50 shares. Yeah, and more if it goes well. I have no reason to stop it at 50 shares. This is the dinner outfit. My best friend is picking me up in a sick car. Wow! My friend picked me up in the Porsche. Yay! This is João, is my best friend, and we are going to travel around the next week. We are going to the Canary Islands. So I'm going to record a vlog, a day trading day, the Canary Islands. So it's going to be interesting because we are a bit chaotic. Just a bit. Ring the bell. João is about to buy a flight to Brazil because our other friend is in Brazil right now. He's buying a flight for tomorrow at 8 a.m. And WDC. We are in a fancy restaurant while our friend is in Rio de Janeiro. This is their famous steak with the sauce and the fries. The sauce is amazing. It's so good. So good. And you have to dip the fries. Day 2 is over. I'll see you for day 3. Hope for the best. Hello guys, it's day 3. I'm working on Pete's market update video. I'm uploading it now. I've edited and did the thumbnail. It's a beautiful day here in Portugal. We had an earthquake at around noon. I'm super afraid of earthquakes. I hate them. Let's see what the market does today. Tomorrow we have the Supreme Court ruling on Trump's tariffs, so I don't know what to expect today. I hope I don't get a red day, but let's see what this day has for us. Today I'm not married to one side or the other. I can explain why in a few moments, but I was seeing if VWAP was going to hold. So if it holds during this bearish cycle, I'll check some longs, but I'm not really confident. As you can see, when we have these drops, the following candle opens above, but the other one never opens below this one. But today we open below this one. That's why I'm a bit not so confident in the long side. It might be valid or invalid, but that's my guess. As you can see, the bearish cycle is almost complete, so I opened the position in RCAT, Red Cat Holdings. I'm not sure what this company is, but the chart looks good. G also looks nice. On the daily, looks like this. This is the daily. I think I rushed into my position. As you can see, SPY is now at VWAP. I could have bought RCAT much lower. Not much, but a bit lower. I'm going to wait and see what this bullish cycle, which is going to begin now, is going to produce. As you can see, SPY is in this upwards sloping channel. Volume is embarrassing low. RCAT is doing nothing. And GE is doing nothing also. Perfect. I'm sleepy. This market is making me sleepy. I don't see any great opportunities lining up for me today. Maybe today we'll get our ramen day. I don't know. There are days like this. Maybe I'll go to the gym. Maybe I'll film some content for my other socials. I sold. I lost money. I lost about 7 euros on this trade because of commissions and everything. I'm trying to find something, but I don't know. At the beginning of the day, I saw BX as a good short. Now the S&P is going down. This is not going lower. I don't know. I posted my exit. Will I be eating ramen today? I think I'm manifesting this. I do not want to eat ramen, of course, because I don't want to lose money, but I don't mind eating it. It's okay. I'm keeping my GE trade, not because I don't want to assume losses, but it's a good long, so I'm keeping it. It's okay. I already had a position since Monday because I wanted to swing it, so I'll keep it. Maybe I'll close it today, I don't know. If it runs up, I'll close it, both of them. The swing and the day trade. It is a beautiful day. These apartments here are worth like 20 million. I'm back to my influencer job. I don't think I'm going to trade more today. Carne means beef. So today dinner prep is really simple because I did not make any money. Actually, I lost money today. So this is my dinner, cup noodles. I think red days are really important in my trading journey because this gives me content to base myself of what's a bad decision and what's a good decision. Obviously today the market was not on my side and I knew it from the start. And I think it affected my decision making. I didn't go through any big emotions today. I wasn't nervous. I was just not really confident. Now I have to wait 2 minutes for this to cook. Yesterday went really well, and I think this goes to show that even if you pick the right stocks, if you don't have the market first, it doesn't serve you anything to pick the best stocks because it was just not a good... I didn't read the market well enough. And there are trend days in the market, and as you know, we are trapped inside of a range. Right off the bat, I wasn't confident, but it's okay. It was a €7 loss. I knew to cut my losses quick enough. It didn't make a huge impact on my life. And that's it. I'll see you for day 4 and our final day, and I hope I can make at least 20 euros tomorrow because I do have a party at night and I need to be well fed, and I cannot have noodles for dinner tomorrow, guys. It's Friday night. I'll see you. Welcome to our last day of our challenge. I've had so much fun recording this. I'm a bit tired from recording, I won't lie. Today we have the Supreme Court ruling, maybe, on Trump's tariffs. It's coming out at 10 a.m., so in about 15 minutes. I'm reading Pete's pre-open market comments, and I'll probably have news in a few minutes. I have so much fun daily on the chat room. Spectre just said, "Yeehaw!" What is this? Wow, they really liked the Supreme Court ruling. Wow. What is this? If we keep on the long side, I think I have my pick. It's S-I-E-N. Sorry, in Portuguese, I would say C-E-E-N. As you can see, it has a great D1 and it has relative strength and the volume is amazing right here. I think I'm a great student because Pete just said on the chat, on the long side, I like CN. This was my pick too. If you haven't yet, please check out Harry's podcast, Tradecraft. It's about trading psychology. And I think we have 2 episodes now, but the third one is going to be released very, very soon. But let's put some music because it's Friday. And this is what I want to listen to. Burna Boy and Azake. Immaculate vibes only. Look at this amazing view. I love my country. My mom ordered Chinese for me. I love Chinese food. My trade is going to work out for me. Because positive vibes only. It is working out for me. Thank you for this moment. I'll stop now. Back to work now. As you can see, SPY is now through resistance, 50 EMA and a VWAP Q. Peter is saying this is not a very convincing move, but the chances of a reversal are fairly low, so I'm still in the position CN. I'm taking gains on my CN and on my GE positions now because of this here, and because the market is slowing down and I want to leave early because it's sunny outside. I already left my position, but see how SPY is going down and, for example, GE is still near the high. Let's see what CN is doing. I already left my positions. I'm just seeing. I took my gains at 339, so about here on these 2 candles. And thank God I did, because this was looking like it was crowning. That's why I left the position and for other reasons. And now they are shorting Oracle, but we have VWAP there. Oracle. Poor Oracle. I shorted Oracle a few weeks back. See, I had drawn a trend line here. The only reason why I'm not shorting Oracle is first, we have VWAP here. And since there are people, obviously I saw them shorting Oracle, that looks nice, but I need to evaluate a bit more. Just a small note on copying trades. I think when we are in this environment on the chat room, for example, I think a lot of people will have noticed a lot of great stocks to short or to go long. I don't see that as a problem. I can look at Oracle, I can look at the D1 and agree that it's a great short. In this case, it's a short, it could be another one. I don't see a problem with that. I think the problem with copying trades is when you copy blindly. And instead of learning, you are just copying someone else's trade and you won't know why it worked or why it didn't work. And that's all. That's why I shorted Oracle. SPY just got rejected again off the SMA 50 and the EMA 8. And my Oracle position is looking really good. I thought about taking profits around this possible support level that open, 148.49. Let's see if it can break that. As you can see, I left my position at around 149.06. on this candle here, not this one, this one. And I think that's it for the day. I'm ending today with 118 euros after eating ramen yesterday. I guess I can have some champagne with my friends today. I have a party later tonight, so I'm going to head home. Enough trading for me today. I'm quite happy with my picks and with my gains. I don't like over trading. One of the rules I set for this challenge was 5 trades maximum, but I should have set it to 3 because ideally I take 1, 2, 3, even for if I need to re-enter a trade, but I think I kept it to 3 trades max per day, so that's excellent. I don't like over trading. If it's not going well for me, if I'm not feeling the vibes, I don't trade. And when I mention the vibes, obviously is my comprehension of the market and how well I trust the market. It's not vibes, but I mention it as vibes purely for entertainment reasons. What can I say more about today? I felt kind of rushed entering this Oracle trade because I saw someone mentioning it in the chat, and it's not that I copy trades from the chat, but I can't deny a good chart, and I think a lot of people might resonate with that. When I see an opportunity and someone else mentions it, I think it's okay to take the trade as long as you know what you're doing. And yeah, this is my best day of the week. I'm ending Friday on a super positive note. I'll see you guys for dinner. This is my wonderful date, G, and we are eating ovos rotos and croquettes, and I'm drinking a Moscow Mule. Let's hope I don't run the tap that much. We are here at Kobe. Olivia de Costa is a great chef here in Portugal. If you ever come here, please try their restaurants. They are my favorites. Tastes like GE Oracle. This is truffle linguine. It's so good. We just had a bit of fruit as dessert and the coffee always, because in Portugal we always drink coffee after dinner. And it's caffeinated. This is not decaf. Eu amo maracujá. Maracujá. I'll see you guys next week.